Greetings and salutations, and welcome to the wholeheartpath.com, when the pain of staying where you're at becomes greater than the fear of moving forward. The whole heart path awaits you. My name is Dindayel, and I'd like to take you on a journey. And the journey is to the innermost regions of yourself. You know, teaching for 41 years, you begin to see the things that work for people and the things that don't. What I would like to share with you this thing specifically today has to do with sound therapy. And this particular sound is called heart sound. Heart sound. What it means is the sound of the heart that we're just going to do. And the way this works is this. You can be sitting or laying down. Sitting is probably best. And what we're going to do, we're going to do a sound. Now, for those of you that are not totally familiar with this concept of sound, let's play with it. Notice how you feel. If you don't quite understand it, notice what you feel when you do it. So here's how it works. You focus your attention in the heart, the center. And what you do, you use sound vibration. And you use the sound of the word yum. Y-U-M. And you just do yum, 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 yum. You know, like yummy, yummy, yummy. Got love in my tummy. Yum, yum. And just keep going, keep doing it. Yum, yum, yum. And just keep focusing on that sound of the heart sound. Yum. And notice what it does for you. It takes approximately about roughly 7 to 8 minutes. And you start to feel something really deep. Now, I'm not saying specifically what you feel, but you will feel something that will actually give you a deeper insight to the nature of who you are by using the sound of the heart. Remember, the core of us as human beings is connected by way of the heart. And you'll find in doing this practice that it will actually access a certain type of feeling. Let me know how that works for you. You can contact me at wholeheartpath.com. And as always, to thy own self be true, for the whole heart path awaits you. wholeheartpath.com. Be at peace and know that you are truly great. Thank you.